Hey everyone, to install Lead Project. It is a free project budget template that you can download. The link's in the description, and the people who are joining us here, they can install it. And there is a playlist that you guys can follow. All you have to do is go here. This is what the channel looks like. Once you go there, there's a playlist called Lead Project, Free Project Development Budget, whatever that is. But anyway, so all you have to do is go here, follow each of these videos step by step, and I will continue adding all the videos for the complete training for Lead Project. It's free. The link in the description right here. You can click on it. And today we are continuing talking about how to install this thing. So once it has already been installed, so if you go and look into your Google Drive over here, the first time you launch it by going into your add-ons. Let me zoom that in. You go into your add-ons, Lead Project, Start Lead Project, and a sidebar opens. And the first time you install it, it puts a folder in there called Lead Project on your Google Drive. You double click on that, and we've got 2 master data files in there. We've already discussed master data. Now we're talking about ContactMaster. So when you double click on that thing, you will be able to customize all your contacts and add their details right here. And we'll go through that in a second, but that is what we are talking about here. Because once we've got these 2 files ready, then we can go on and create multiple project budgets using Lead Project, and it'll always go back and use your master data so that it's centralized, and everything that you do from that point on is connected to your master sheets. So the moment this is what we are trying to do. So when we put in those details, we've got 2 tabs that we do not use, but these 2 tabs get used in your ContactMaster so that you can categorize your contacts based on which way you want to categorize them. So the first category is your main category, which is, like, for example, now this is coming from a real estate development and construction background. So there's a category, for example, acoustic report, advertising, concrete supply, concrete pumping, external cladding contractor, maintenance, marketing, occupational health and safety reports. Whatever category that you want to give that, you can add in all your categories right here. Then you've got your contact types. For example, could be a consultant, professional, project. It could be a contact related to a project, or services, stakeholder, supplier, trade, however many that you want to add. The 50 different that you can add over here. Once you've done that, you go into your ContactMaster and you start putting in the name. You start putting in the name by saying Amber Khanna, for example, that's me. And you can click on a category to give it. You could call it whatever you want to call it. Let's say call it concrete supply. And the contact type is going to be, I don't know, maybe a consultant. And then you can put in the details. What is the name of the contact? Now this could be a company, so maybe Lead Project, LLC, PTY Ltd, Trust, whatever you want to call that. It's up to you. But this is the main sheet that we use everywhere because that section needs to be unique. And then we go and add in the name, Amber, designation, and mobile, and whatever many details that you want to call them. You can come in and change the top section and customize it the way you want to do it, because this is only, everything from this column onwards is for your own reference. However, this column right here is super important, and what we have to remember is that this field has to be unique. So if you copy something that is exactly the same right here, it's gonna highlight red and tell you, look, this is a duplicate, please do not use this. And this is just a warning, so that you don't end up with different names for the same company. So this needs to be unique, and that's pretty much it. Your ContactMaster is ready, and I'll show you what it will look like. For example, my ContactMaster here is already open, and in fact I'm gonna zoom out a fair bit so you can't read what's in there. But it has all the details, and it goes on and goes on and goes on and goes on. And I do have a few warnings because somehow somebody has duplicates in there somewhere, which I haven't bothered deleting yet, but it's there. It's a sample data that you can use, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll catch up in the next video, and we're going to create our first project budget in the next video.